How to delete photos from your Google Photos without deleting them from your own phone. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to guide you step by step on how you can do it. So let's get started. The first thing you can do is just go ahead and access the Photos application. Open it up, and once you open it up, you should be finding this interface. The next step you can follow up is once you're under Google Photos, you can head over to your profile in the top right corner, tap on it, and then once you tap on it, here this menu appears. Now from here, scroll down and look for the option of photo settings and open it up. Now once you open up photo settings, you need to go over to backup, tap on it, and the thing is you need to turn off backup first. So if this option is on, you can just go ahead and tap on it and turn it off. And once it is turned off, you can head back to your main page. After that, long press on the photo that you would like to delete and tap on bin icon from your options given below and confirm the deletion, and the photo should be deleted. Otherwise, the next thing you can do is you can just long press on the photo again and go over and move the folder to something which is not yet synced with Google, and you can just go ahead and delete that from there. So that is it. You may also follow the same process in order to do so. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you in another video.